Hello, welcome at Control Byte channel. Everything what you need to know about automation and robotics. Today we'd like to show you how to program in PLC simulators for free. On the screen you have factory IO scene. We will use TIA Portal and factory IO to program our simple scenes using ladder language. So let's get started. You can write in the chat. Remember about subscribing our channel and hit the like button to help us develop our YouTube channel about automation and robotics.
Hello, Matthew. Hi to our viewers. Okay, today we will show you that you do not need a special hardware, special PLC hardware to learn how to program automation systems. To get started, you only need PLC simulator. This is the best way to start. You don't need to spend money on hardware to learn programming.
Yeah, so you can use free licenses for TIA Portal from Siemens. You can download this software and run PLC sim. This is a PLC simulator. You only need a computer, your computer, and some free time to learn programming. As you can see, you can develop your project and download it to PLC simulator. Next, you can connect that with virtual factory thanks to factory IO simulation software. Okay, so today we will show you how to create a simple project for parrot sorting line, how to start with PLC programming, and we say a few words about another PLC simulator, which is Codices. Stay with us to the end of our webinar live stream because we have a competition for you, and you can win a prize from Control Byte. We'll also show you how to join our programming courses. We teach online how to program PLCs, how to program automation systems. You can use chat to ask questions. We'll answer them during our live stream. Together with Jacob, we have established a platform, Control Byte. We teach young engineers how to program automation devices. Remember about subscribing, liking. You can write in the chat where do you come from, what do you want to learn from us, and what we do, who we are. We are Control Byte. We deal with machine and automation system design. Plus, we teach people online how to program machines. We know a lot about programming PLCs and robots. We design of control systems. We know a lot of machine safety system, data acquisitions, and we design machines from scratch, mechanical projects, electrical, and programming. What we do, you can find our projects in factories, like here in wood industry. We collaborate with the best manufacturers on the market, like Lenza, Tark, Wieland, many more. If you want to ask us the questions, we also have LinkedIn. You can follow us, ask questions, and follow our profile. We share a lot of content about automation and robotics, which is really helpful for young engineers. If you want to learn from us, we have a lot of courses. We have courses for Siemens, we have courses in Codices, and we work on some more courses like motion programming, fundamental of automation designs, many more. We have Discord channel. a lot of people. We have a lot of people there. Mm, we help. We support our students on Discord channel. We have live meetings. This is you and your computer. You can simulate programs on your own, and then you can share the final result on Discord, and we will provide you a feedback there. Okay, so let's go back to our topic. Firstly, we would like to show you the path, your learning path. The best way is to install free software, which is PIA portal from Siemens. You have PLC Sim, and you can connect that with Virtual Factory IO system. This is 3D simulator. You can simulate their conveyors, robots, and many more. You can connect that with PLC Sim, and that's all. You can develop program in ladder logic like here. We show you everything on our platform. So, if you want to start, just download TIA portal, and you can start learning the most popular languages like graphical language ladder and FBD, firstly. And you can go further and learn text-based languages like SCL or structured text. If you want to start with Siemens, you can program such CPUs like S7 1200 or S7 1500. Then you need to know something about standard library, about timers, counters, the most popular function blocks for PLC programmers. And next, you can learn about extended libraries and communication protocols. So this is what you need to do. Download free software, and you can start programming. Firstly, the next step is Factory IO. You can download a free license. It's probably 30 days.
30 days. Yeah.
30 days free, and during that time, you can easily learn basics of programming. So this is 3D factory simulator. You have ready to use scenes from factory. You can grab, for example, conveyor, or like here, Jacob has a conveyor for pallet sorting line. You can measure the height of the pallet and design a program for that. You can easily connect that with TIA portal, PLC Sim. Create your own factory from ready-made elements. Like you can get a conveyor, actuators, and create your own scene. And you can learn about sensors, control cabinets, etc. This is a lot of fun from learning process. So if you want to be PLC programmer, just start from there, from Factory IO, and next you can start with real projects. How to manage licenses? You can grab TIA portal, PLC Sim, which is PLC simulator, and Factory IO. So we have a path for you. You can download TIA portal version 16. 16th, yeah, version 16, and this is free for 21 days. Okay, when this license will end, you can grab next version of TIA portal, version 17, and it is also free for 21 days. But this is not all. Jacob, we have also TIA version 18th. Yeah.
18th. Yeah, but the latest version of TIA has no full compatibility yet with Factory IO, so we recommend TIA in version 16 and 17.
So we have three license for to sum up 42 days. This is a lot, and you can learn basics and even advanced concept of programming. Okay.
Yeah.
And next we
And
have here Factory.io. It is free for 30 days. If you want try something new, we have also a free PLC simulator for you. This is Codesys. We have also Codesys course on our platform, and it is absolutely free, lifetime. If you download a Codesys on your computer, you can use for free life, and you have lifetime access. So I recommend you to try this software because you have a lot of opportunity. You have a lot of chance to. You have a lot of opportunities to program in this software. Okay, so this is another path. Um, yes, and maybe we can go to sample scene. Jacob will show you how to program a scene in Factory.io and using TIA portal from Siemens. And we'll go back to our presentation.
yeah, exactly. What is really important in our courses that we provide full support. If you join our course, we will help you to install, configure programming environment on your computer. So we have many students. Lots of them have some problems, difficulties with installation process, and we provide support in our Discord channel. You can see our Discord channel right here. And here we can chat. We have forum where we provide full support for our courses. So if you join our course, if you encounter any problems, we will help you. So the first step is to download TIA Portal installation files to proceed with the installation of TIA Portal and PLC Simulator. TIA Portal and PLC Simulator are separate programs, separate installation processes, so you have to proceed according to our instruction to get it started as fast as possible. Okay, we have many viewers on our live stream from Slovenia, from Malta, from Albania, from Philippines, from India, from Manila, so all over the world.
Yeah,
suggest
we have
some more
questions
free
here.
simulators. We suggest starting with Siemens TI. About 50% of automation market in Europe and in major countries where you can get job as automation engineer.
Okay,
And
we have
Ioannis
also
from
our
Greece.
students
Hello.
here from Greece.
Yeah.
Hi, Aonis. I hope that you enjoy our courses on our platform.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to TIA Portal. If you install this environment, if you install Factory.io, you can build your own factory, like Matthew said. You can use ready-to-go scenes like this. For example, this is pallet magazine, warehouse, or you can use our scenes from our course and start with the basics. So we recommend to start with the basics, with the entry course. You will start really quickly writing first programs. Okay. In factory AO, you have to configure inputs and outputs of our system. So in automation system, you will deal mainly with Boolean signals, true or false. Those are those signals. And you will also find analog signals and, for example, integer variables like counters. So this is where you define your tags, your variables. Here you have example conveyor. This conveyor is equipped with, for example, conveyor entry tag. And in factory AO, you can start this conveyor with this signal, or you can stop this conveyor. At the end of this conveyor, you will find some sensors, for example, pallet sensor with this light curtain. And it behaves like in a real world. If the pallet appears next to the sensor, it activates the sensor and the signal will go high. Easy. And those signals are transferred to TIA portal. So you can see that you will feel like a professional automation engineer in a plant or in a factory. Okay, the next step will be to define your variables in TIA portal. As you can see, there are, for this scene, this is quite a simple scene. And in the scene, you can see over 40 variables. So you have to analyze principle of operation of all those objects in this scene. And you have to define variables and signals for this scene, for those objects. Here you can see, for example, control cabinet or control panel. There are some buttons like start button, stop button, reset button, emergency stop button. And as you can see, if I push this button, this signal changes its value. So now it's false. After releasing the signal, it goes to true. This is start button, stop button, and many, many more. Okay. So now you know how to start factory AO. You know what this simulation environment is designed for. Okay. You have to define list of signals, and now you can create your program for PLC controller. In a real factory, you will have, for example, S7-1500 PLC or simpler S7-1200 PLC. And you have to prepare some code for this PLC to control your automation object like this. Here you can see some basic program for this pallet sorting line. Okay, I will reset this simulator. This program is divided into networks. Each network can consist of ranks or branches. Every branch consists of normally open, normally closed contacts, signals from sensors, and internally defined variables are assigned to those contacts. And at the end, you can see some standard coils, set coils, reset coils, and some flip-flops. So in our course, we will show you how to analyze principle of operation of, for example, this sorting line, so that you can create such a program. We also teach how to divide such a program into smaller pieces so that you can code with some standard. For example, for this sorting line, we have created a simple sequence for transfer chain for this dividing conveyor. There are 4 steps defined. And what is the best part of our course is that you will have some homeworks to do. What are homeworks to do? For example, in this case, we have defined 4 steps. And as homework assignment, you will have to code additional steps to fulfill some additional functionalities in this system. Okay. If you have any questions, just write on the chat. We will stop our presentation from time to time to answer your questions. Okay, so now you can see how learning of programming automation systems looks like. And now we can, for example, create some code from scratch. I have opened ready-to-go program, which is working just fine, as you can see. In this system, the high parcels go left and the small ones, for example, this one, will go right, according to the signal from this light curtain. Okay, and it is on the right. So now I will delete all those networks and let's write some code from the scratch. Okay. I have to insert first network. The best way to learn PLC programming is to start with ladder logic. Ladder logic is really similar to electrical diagrams. So here you can see normally open contacts, like contact in a switch button. You can see coils, like a coil in a relay. And here you can see main power line and here ground. So the power flows from left to right, and if this contact closes the connection, it will power the coil at the end. So let's download this code to simulator to stop the line. This little window is PLC simulator. And as you can see, I have downloaded an empty program, and meanwhile, the entry conveyor was switched on. and it remained switched on because I erased the logic. Okay. So let's insert normally open contact. Let's insert a coil. And let's program a really simple logic. For example, if I click this start button, the entry conveyor should start. So here I have already defined variable from input memory that is connected to this push button. So I have to find this variable. This is xpb start push button start. It is declared in input memory area by address 1.0. Perfect. And here, let's assign entry conveyor motor, conveyor entry motor. Okay. Let's download this configuration to PLC. Okay, our PLC is in run mode. So now, if I press this button, this conveyor starts. You can switch on monitoring of your code like this. And if the rank turns green, it means that it empowers the coil at the end. So press the button, switch on the coil at the end with this output variable, and it activates the conveyor. Really simple. We can insert another normally open contact on this rank, for example, with emergency stop. Okay. Emergency stop signal, it's right here, is normally closed signal from this button. It means when this emergency stop button is not pushed, the signal is in high state. It is logical 1. So this normally open contact conducts the signal from left to right. Okay, so if I press the button, the conveyor starts. But if I press this emergency stop button, this normally open contact turns blue, and now if I press this button, nothing happens. As you can see, I have created simple Boolean logic for this system. This is a logical AND operation. And with this, and this way, you can create the whole logic for the system. As you remember, I have declared previously many networks. There are over 40 variables, so you need some time to create the whole program for this scene. It is not easy, but with our course, step by step, we will show you how to program in structured way. Okay, any questions on the chat? Make it easy and tell more about keyword like ranks, normally open, normally closed, etc. Okay, so this is question from about 5 minutes ago. So I think that I have showed you a basic idea for programming in ladder logic using normally open contacts and ranks. If you want to learn more, just join our courses, and step by step we will show you everything. During this live stream, our aim, our purpose is to show you the main programming environments and simulation environments to start programming. So you can see functionalities of Factory IO. You can see how TIA portal for Siemens PLCs looks like. And you can see how to create basic logic. I am from Nigeria. Nice to see you. What is the safest website to download TIA portal? The safest, the most safe website to download TIA portal is Siemens website. So you have to register in Siemens portal and download TIA. So if you join our courses, we will help you to proceed with the installation. Hi, Timur from Pakistan. Hello, nice to see you. Okay, if there are no more questions on the chat, maybe we'll proceed with our presentation, and we will show you learning path in our course that you can go with step by step and learn basics of PLC and automation programming in 1 week.
Yes. What is the best option to boost your programming skills? If you are starting from scratch, from zero, the best option is to find a mentor. We have a lot of experience in an automation branch. We can we share knowledge about programming. You can program with us, and you can learn very quickly with our support. So the best way is to just sign up for our premium PLC course down below the video. And after that, you'll gain access to our online platform with courses, with video materials, project templates, and many more. What's more, you will join our Discord channel where we support you and we give you a video review of your homework assignment. So this is how we deal on our platform. What's more, you can share your projects with others, for example, on LinkedIn, or you can even help other people on our Discord channel. Thanks to that, you will be a better programmer. Okay. The best option is to take project, do it on your own, and after that, help others and do a review code of our users. If you join our course, you will learn about hardware, not only about simulators, but we show you how to wire a physical PLC, programmable logic controller, how to mount it in real environment, how to supply this hardware, and many more. And what will you receive after signing up for our course? We have two courses. First course is entry level. If you want to find out if programming is for you, the best option is to start from entry-level course. It is small price. You can just buy this course and join our platform to check if programming is for you. So we have there over 46 practical video lessons, more than 6 hours. Okay. You will test your programs in virtual factory, which is Factory.io. And the best part of our course is that you have a homework assignment to solve on your own. So we will give you a task, a programming task to solve. We will give you some tips, and you need to create a program for that. Okay. What's more, for our after the course, after premium course, you will get a certificate of completion, and you will start from the simple instructions like bit instructions. You will learn about normally open contacts, normally closed contacts, coils, and Boolean algebra. Thanks to that, you can create a logic in your program. For example, from two normally open buttons, you can create a logical AND operation, or you can create a parallel connection and create a logical OR. This is a basic operation for programming. So we will start from scratch and learn about bit instructions. This is crucial for PLC programming, for ladder programming. Next, we will go to standard library and learn about flip-flops. Thanks to flip-flop, you can create a start-stop system. This is necessary for every industrial machine. Okay, you will learn how to create a start-stop system from flip-flops. You will take a control cabinet, you will take some buttons, and you will grab these signals, and you will create a logic in your program. Next, we'll go to practical projects. For example, roller conveyor programming. You will use knowledge about contacts, about Boolean algebra, and flip-flops to create a simple conveyor project. What's more, you will learn about signal detection instructions. We need to detect positive signal and negative signal. So we need to detect edges of our signal from sensors, buttons, etc. Rising edges and falling edges of our signals. If you learn about that, you will go to more sophisticated projects like sorting with pneumatic actuator. You see here we have a conveyor, a pneumatic actuator. If the sensor detects a package, actuator starts and push the package to the next conveyor. What's more, we have a control cabinet with buttons and emergency stop. Standard library is really important because you have a lot of function blocks there, like timers. You have different types of timers. You will learn about timer on delay, timer off delay, timer accumulator, and pulse timer, like TP. It is necessary to create applications for industrial machines. Every industrial machine has a timer in some part of the program. And if you learn about that, you can go to practical project with conveyor and alarm system. You will use timer on delay to program alarm to inform machine operator about error on our line. Next function block is counter. We have counter up, down, and counter which counts up and down. We can create a buffering package line using timers, and we can just count elements in the factory. Next, you will create box buffering line. You will use a counter, and you will have a homework assignment to solve on your own. And the last project in our entry-level course is pallet sorting line based on product height. Today, Jacob has shown you this project in Factory.io, and this is more sophisticated project because we need to divide this line to parts. We will divide the workstation into cooperating objects. Like, we will need to design a sequence for separating feeder. Then we need to create a program for input feeder, and we need to coordinate that. So this is more sophisticated, but in our course, network by network, you will write a program from scratch. Okay. What's more, we have presentations. We explain in presentations, and we have some graphs, so you can easily understand how industrial automation objects works. Of course, you have homework assignment. You can show Jacob homework assignments of our students, because a lot of students uploaded their homeworks on our Discord channel from this course, and we support them on Discord. Look at that. This is a homework in PDF format. You need to create a PDF with a program, and we will check that. Look at a sample solution of the homework, like here. Yes, we have a lot of solutions from our students on our Discord channel.
This is, for example, homework from premium course, PID controller that you code yourself without using PID from a library. This is really nice task to solve. You program your own regulators parts, like proportional, integral, and derivative part. In this task, we also program a sequence for this. For filling up the tank. In Factory.io, you can find a scene like water tank, like this. And here you can control proportional valves. You can fill the tank with water to assigned water level.
Is TIA portal free? You have a trial license
with full functionality for 21 days for for every TIA portal versions. So Siemens releases new TIA portal version every about 2 years. So the first TIA portal, I think, is version 11. So you have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and now 18 is the latest version. So you can use every TIA portal version for 21 days, and we recommend to start programming with version 16 because It is compatible with Windows 11. You can install this version with no problems, and you can communicate with factory AO with no problems.
Okay, so in the end of our our live stream, we have a special offer for you for our courses. So today we would like to offer you two courses. First course is entry-level PLC programming Siemens S7 1200, and it is ladder logic basics. And next course is premium PLC programming Siemens in ladder and FBD. So down below the video and on the chat, you can find a link and you can go there and read about our special offer. You can sign up for the entry-level course in a special offer price. It's $15. And if you want to learn advanced concept and be a professional PLC programmer, we encourage you to join our premium course, which is $99 right now. What is the difference between our courses? The first course, entry level, and it's cheaper. You will program in ladder. We have 46 lessons, 6 hours of video materials. You will learn about Boolean algebra, basic PLC instructions, and you will program 5 scenarios in Factory IO. But we don't provide a certificate for this course. If you join premium course, you will program in ladder and FBD graphical language. You have more lessons with more projects. It's about 106 lessons, 18 hours of my video materials. You will learn advanced concepts of PLC programming. You will operate on integers, real values, data structures, and you program up to 10 Factory IO scenarios. After that course, you will get a certificate from us. And this is an example of certificate. Look at that, what you have here. You have the course content. You have a lot of lessons with theory. And we confirm that you will program projects on your own. Okay, let's go to our site. We'll show you, and we'll do a competition for you. Stay with us.
I would like to show you our Discord channel. Our students wrote today some really encouraging words to show. Here are some projects from our student Arnold. This is his project from his work. He assigned to our, he enrolled in our premium course. He finished this course, and this is some PLC program and visualization from his SCADA system from his work. So as you can see, you can really learn some many valuable things with us. You can also read, thank you, Jacob, very big help on my implementation on my projects. Worth it, course is solid fundamentals. So you can start with our course. You can create projects like Arnold, and you can get better job or a raise.
Yes. So if you want to learn like our students really quick and do real projects, just join our courses. And here we have our site. You have a lot of information about this course, what you have inside our platform. You can read about projects and theory. You have a course plan here, and also you can find sample lessons for that course. What's more, if you complete all projects from this course, you can write a really nice CV and send it to future employer. And you can right now buy this course in a special offer, only $15. You have also 14-day guarantee. If you say that you would like to get a refund because programming is not for you, we will refund you money. So there is no risk. You can pay by PayPal or Stripe, and you can choose a form of payment. Here we have opinions from our students. You can read about opinions here in the video on the side. You can find what we have inside PLC training, but projects about our platform, what you will find inside. And here we have frequently asked questions. At the bottom of our site, you can click here and you will go to checkout page on Stripe. You can choose your payment form.
There are different payment methods in different countries. So if you go to this checkout page, you can choose from different payment methods.
What's more, if you will decide to buy also premium course, you can click here and you will buy a bundle. So 2 courses, entry and premium course, in a price of $99. Okay, and that's all. You can just choose a payment form and just click buy, and you will join our platform and Discord channel.
What is important, we are closing enrollments for this course
next week.
In a week. Yeah, in a week. So hurry up. We are closing enrollments, and then we'll be back with this course in a few months, I think, because we are working on new projects. So if you want to start learning PLC, do it now.
Okay, that's all for... okay, competition. Let's wait for a competition. Because I say that we will do that. We will do that. So wait a minute. You can win a discount from us for our course. Wait a minute.
Okay, you will see a question on our screen, and your task will be to send answer to our mailbox on address that you can see on the screen.
Okay, so we have here a question. Send answer to contact at controlbyte.tech. Please write the name of one PLC programming environment.
So today we have talked about one of the programming environments from Siemens.
Yes, just
You
write the
can
name
write the name of this programming environment and send this to our mailbox. You can win a prize, which is discount for our courses. So,
we will wait
Rudyard
for...
Urdano, very interested in this course, hoping I can avail a discount. So send answer to this question and you will get discount for our course. You can use this discount for the entry level course and of course for premium. So it will be a huge discount if you choose premium course.
Just send them a mail to us and we wait a second for your answers.
Don't write the answer on the chat, just send an email.
Send the email and
our
we will
mailbox.
respond to you and we will send you a discount. So we still waiting
Timur
for winners.
asked basic how to join, how to enroll. Under this video, you can find a link to our course and you will go to a website that you can see right now on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think that we can end this meeting. I'm really glad that many of you were live with us during this online webinar.
We'll come back next week on our YouTube. We will stream.
How I Get Simulator. Enroll in our course and we will show you step by step how to install and how to program Siemens PLC controllers.
Yeah, we have a lot of people on our platform. About whoa. Okay, so that's all for today's. Okay, we have the correct answer on our
Mailbox.
The name of the programming environment is step 7. Okay, step 7. Why not? This is the one of programming environment. So this is the correct answer, and Jakubu, we will send you a discount for our courses. So thanks for the correct answer. This is the end of our live stream, and see you later on our YouTube channel.
Thank you. See you.